All right, this is App3 for an app for that, for Team Showdown, Jeff Diamond, Sandra Doobie, Jordan Enoch, Dan Schullis, and Kieran Thomas. This is our Tour GBS iPhone app, and we will start the app with a quick executive summary. So we've got the purpose, the target audience, positioning, implementation, process programming, and next steps, and that's what we'll cover in this app. Purpose. The Tour iPhone application allows users to take a guided tour of Goizueta. We'll have 20 different destinations, and it'll be GPS driven. It provides access to admissions and GPS resources, including a directory of rooms, a social media site, and a browser of the website. The target audience is a couple different groups. First, we've got prospective students and accepted students. We can also have lost first-year GBS students or faculty, GBS alumni, campus guests, recruiters, and partners, parents, and relatives. We're going to position this to solve the problem of basically where should I go when I get to Goizueta. We have prospective students who come to the school, and Tour GBS will help them find the places they need to go. It will be offered exclusively for free in the Apple App Store. And the admissions website will encourage people to use or download the app. We'll have some articles in different newsletters and magazines, an email announcement, and PR campaigns as well. What we can do is we're going to implement this, and we think it'll cost roughly $5,000 total between upfront costs, maintenance costs, and promotional costs. We think the number of downloads and the number of times accessed per user are very key metrics to our success. If we continue to the next slide, we can discuss, is this slide 10? All right, so the process. Databases will be used to store data so that we can easily update or change the rooms. And we'll have the database of the staff directory, the room directory, and a categories directory as well. Behind the scenes programming, the app to use the locator will use a GPS as well. There's 3 databases that it's going to pull information from that we talked about last slide. The categories will be maintained by admissions depending on where they'd like to direct visitors to. And the user must always be able to click back to the main menu so that it's an easy way to get back to the home page. We can use the locator to begin the tour, or they can choose their own location. When the user finds a location, then the app will give a direction, a choice of different locations where they can go next. And at any point, the user will have access to see his or her location on a blueprint of that building. Continuing to the next slide. Sorry. It's cool. We will go to the next slide. The next steps. Once the initial app is programmed, we're going to look at add-ons like the ability to contact a student to sign up for a class, signing up for a lunch and tour, signing up for an interview, or to find out how your application is progressing.